the XCM had insanely good earnings, like one of the best stocks in the market. And I owned it. I owned the XCM sub 200 and I sold it in the low 200s and now it's in the mid 300s. Yay! I love it. I love how the market just keep grinding higher. It's such a good thing I stopped being on the wrong side of the market. Like I was on the wrong side and too cautious for a couple of weeks there, and then I switched, and it's like an ATM. It's like I'm printing money. The past like 2 weeks have been it's just insane, absolutely insane. Sometimes you just gotta start chasing together with everyone else. Another day where just everything is higher. Everything is higher. Except for maybe the growth names, but really getting some big bounces in these bottom names. I'm so glad I bought the cruise lines and airlines, man. Who says you can't make money in thirds? Like my golden thirds are all going higher. This rally, these bottom things, they're not gonna rally forever. A lot of them are hitting major resistance areas, like the declining 50 days, etc., etc. Like all of them. So I think, next few days we're gonna hit some major resistance on these bottom bouncers that are up 30-50% in the past few days. But meanwhile, NCLH keeps going higher, RCL keeps going higher, CCL looks like it wants to go higher. It's the same theme. Oh, syphilis, I'm gonna get stopped out of it. Okay, all right. And W, I'm gonna get stopped out of probably also. It's unbelievable how strong this thing is. It's up almost 500%. It can't pull back. What? It can't even pull back 10%. Yeah. No, they're all spies. There is some resistance area here at the 200 day, and also on the weekly chart, it's the same at the 300 area, which is also a round number. I think that's gonna be a huge area. I do think we're gonna rally there, and I do think we're gonna see a pullback from that area. So we may have another few days of rally, but I think that's a huge area for the overall markets. Now Nasdaq is obviously above all its moving averages, but the spies are gonna get there and it's gonna be huge. This rally so far has been just incredible, unbelievably good. This KWEB China Internet ETF is setting up really nicely. Maybe later this week if it breaks out. There are some, Baba looks good. Alibaba, like I had a big move in it. I caught a big trade in it late last year. It went up like 25-30% from my entry. I think it's setting up nicely again. Man, like a couple of weeks ago, I was so cold. Like everything I touched turned to shit. And now pretty much everything I touch turns to gold. It's kind of funny how it works. You can never give up. I need to take some time off bullshit. No. What you need to do is get your shit together. That's what you need to do. Man, it sucks to be a short in this environment. I'm so happy I can be stubborn at times, but man, I see some people, they just can't change their mind. Once they're convinced of something, I was convinced this was a bear market rally 2 weeks ago, and I thought it was gonna end at any time. If there's one superpower I have, it's the ability to change my mind. That really is it. It helps so much in trading. It's the only reason I'm still trading. Like I can be wrong for a while, but something has to give. Either I'll be right or I have to change my positioning.